You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to change the battery in the iRobot. I'm going to show you how, real easy. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit and does support my channel. Let's get into the video right now. Okay guys, so I got a lot of requests and a lot of emails on how do you change the battery on an iRobot. It's really easy, real simple. We'll do step by step. All you really basically need is a couple of tools. So all you really need is a screwdriver or a power screwdriver or a power drill. And this is pretty much all you need to change these batteries. They're real simple today. They're a lot smaller, they're more efficient, and they're super easy to change. So don't go buy a new iRobot for a dead machine. If your machine's not working and the battery's not working properly, you can easily order the battery. I'll leave a link below where you can get batteries. Very easy to change these heads. These here, very easy to change these rollers. And I'll go over this with you real quickly. So to change these rollers, all you do is push this little pin in here. Okay, it's a little release. You pull these out, and these just pop right out. Okay, these literally are super easy to change. So these are easy to change, right? Change those out. Don't forget to clean your Roomba. So these are super easy to change, and they kind of just fall right back into the groove. So that's easy enough. Let's get that back in there. It's gonna fall in the channel. And once it falls into the channel, it'll just drop right in like that. And these two come right out. That's easy. And this brush here is one Phillips screwdriver. But to change the battery, real easy. Let's get to it. So we want to first do is we want to remove the brush here. Let's remove that. That's the first thing we want to do. Let's get rid of that. So real simple. Just unscrew it there. And it basically pops off. Let's take that off. And that comes right off. And you can get these replacements. I'll leave links below for replacements if you need any of these parts at all. And also leave, like I said before, a link below for the actual battery itself, so you can get that. Real easy. They pop out, pop in. So basically all you have to do is these screws here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Hey guys, just want to pop in here real quick and just say thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're learning how to change the battery on the Roomba. I do appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out. Let's get back into the video. And these don't come all the way out. They're designed that way so you won't lose them. You basically unscrew them. Okay. There's 1. There's 2. 3. Another one over here. 4 and 5, and you can see this plate comes right off. All right, you can't get any simpler than this. Real easy. Do it yourself. This is like from a scale to 1 to 10. This is like a 2. This is real easy. And this little plastic piece just comes off. Okay, real easy. You take your battery. There's a little switch here, little latch. You push this latch forward, and this battery comes right out. That's how easy it is to change a battery on a Roomba iRobot. They're all like this. I'll leave links below, like I said, below, where you can get new batteries. When you get the new battery in, you unpack it. All you do is pop the battery right into the slot here. It slides right in. It's designed for this. Pop it in, and that's it. And that's how you change the battery. Put everything back together. All you do is put everything back on. Again, these don't come off, so you won't lose the screws, which is actually a very smart design. I like that. They don't come off. Then she makes a little noise and tells you, yes, I'm happy, I have some power. And then you just screw the screws back down. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't over torque them, don't over tighten them. You don't want to strip them. Then you just pop on the new brush here. Again, pop and you just screw it down. And that's it. And that is how you change the battery. Okay guys, I hope you found this informative. I hope you learned how to change the battery in your Roomba. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out. Please help support my channel by subscribing. It does help me out. And also, we do all types of videos here, all types of reviews, any types of tech reviews, any type of electronics, home improvement ideas, everything, anything at all. Alright guys, so that's it for me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe like I said. I do appreciate that. And I'll see you at the next review.